Okay, in the digital electronics, you have studied. Okay, under the digital, okay, analog electronics, digital electronics, digital electronics. You are going to study about the gates. Gates means generally it is going to major gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and then further it is a combination. AND plus NOT is equal to NAND, NOR, and next XOR, okay, X NOR. Like the gates are the classified. So that is gates table, that is called the so truth table. So you will going to verify the truth tables, okay, on the various digital gates. Okay, so aim of the experiment. So aim, what is the aim? Okay, to study and perform the gate various digital gates. So in bracket you will going to mention AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, so etc. Okay, then apparatus required. So I already said it is IC. So it is that one and gate means and IC available, or IC is available in practically. You will going to use and IC. Okay, or the IC number I will going to tell you later. And or IC available, not IC available. You will going to perform. Okay, and it is needed for that one breadboard. Okay, and RPS power supply and board needed for connections. Okay, and wire connections, wire, etc. And today I will going to perform, I will going to do that one V laboratory, V lab. Okay, lab method used to, I will going to show you the demo simulation. That's all. The next one is a theory. So you will going to write about that one various gates. So you will going to explain what is a digital electronics. Digital electronics. So digital electronics is nothing but it is a numbering system. It is start from that one numbering systems. So numbering system is what decimal, decimal number system. Next one is octal number system, hexadecimal number system, binary number systems. So these are numbering systems. Then yes, gates. You will go to various gates is there. So what are the various gates are there? AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So you will going to explain about the various gate systems. Okay, gate one. Then Boolean expression. So Boolean expression is nothing but using the gate terminal to simplify. So simplify. So simplify the equations. So this is about the theory. Then next one is a circuit diagram. Okay. Then next one is you will going to draw about that one AND gate, OR gate, not gate circuit diagrams. Then circuit diagram followed by that one table. The table is nothing but what is the table? This is called a truth. So you were studied here TRUTH, truth table. So truth table. So you will going to draw the write the truth table. And after write the truth table, then you will going to write about the procedure. Then procedure followed by that one summary. So summary you will going to write, okay, thus the so and so experiment, what is that one, uh, thus the uh, various digital gates was studied and performed. So like you will going to complete the statement. Then we'll go with that circuit diagrams. Circuit diagram truth tables. Okay, this is circuit diagrams. So you will going to draw the circuit diagram and gate or gate. You will going to draw the circuit diagram and the truth table and the truth table or truth table, not a truth tables. And then symbol. Okay, so it's a symbolic way of representation. This output terminal is injured. Input terminal is two terminal X and Y. I mean this is a X and Y. Similarly, two input. Oh, here is one input, one output. You have look it. So possibilities. For there is a four possibilities: 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. There is a four possibilities because of the two switches. Okay, here is a only one switches. Not gate means only one switches. What is a not gate? Uh, there is a only one switch. So this is a NOT gate. See, mine is very clear. Normally power supply is giving on the plus with respect to minus, but I am here as I have reversed. Why? Why means when the switch is on, when the power supply is giving, the output is opposite. Opposite. That's why I will going to give the reverse direction representations. When it is a 0 means output is on. When it is 1 means output is 0. Some practically just opposite. Just you can do that opposite. Example, calling bell is there. Calling bell. When you are pressing, the ring is it will going to what happen? The bell it will going to making the noise. When the calling bell is you are going to press, what it will going the sound is coming. When you will going to release the switch, the bell is not working. Okay, just you can think it in the opposite way. When I am not touched that one switch, the bell is ringing. When I will going to press the switch, the bell is silent. That is called a NOT gate. That is called a NOT gate. Okay. So coming to that AND gate, this is the possibilities. When two switches are closed, then only current is a flow. When two switches are closed, then only current is a flow. But what about OR gate? Any one switches are closed, the current will go. Any one switches are closed, the current will flow. So this is the difference between AND gate and OR gate. So that's all about AND gate, OR gate. This is about that differentiation, circuit diagram and truth tables. Okay, so this is a demo. So theory so far we have discussed about that one. This is a to verify the truth table of various digital gates. This is the experiment name. Okay, in that one. Okay, so aim we are still discussed, apparatus record discussed. Okay, demo simulation we're going to go on that one. And the theory statement, okay, included digital electronics, circuit diagram, AND gate, OR gate, sample I show you, truth table of that one, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, and the symbols. Procedure you will go and write what you are doing, and then summary is finished. So let's we go with the simulations. So VLab is offering you for that one. This is a gates available: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So like it will going to classify. First we go with that AND gate. So AND gate. So see there. So this is about the circuit diagram. So how I am going to show you simple circuit diagram, but they are going to show you the practical circuit diagram. Okay, this is a battery power supply. So where is mine is a battery. So this is a battery. Two switches I will going to show you. Even you will going to check it this one in your home also. Simplest method you can check it. So here, okay, battery is there. So one main switch is there. Okay, then after that this is switch to A and B. This is A and B. So like you have the two switches A and B. Okay, in the tabulation A, X and Y, like the A, B. Okay, fine. Okay, through that one I will go to elements. I will go to with the help of the element, semiconductor elements, a semiconductor device. Okay, to minimize the starting current of that this device. That's why this resistance is used. This output terminal is connected to the one end to that bulb. One end I will go to connect it to the bulb. I will go to connect it. Then another end of the bulb is connected to the negative terminal. So I will go to connect it. This is a method. So positive terminal, see that one, negative terminal, one end is connected to the negative fixed one. Positive terminal is through the switch. I will go to switch number 1 and switch number 2. Through the switch number 1, see there, through the switch number 2. So two-way, okay, not a two-way. So these two, okay, through that one, I will going to connect it and minimize the current and connect it to the bulb. Okay. So across this is across I will going to use one resistance for protection purpose. Potential divider method. It's called a potential divider method. So this between across I will going to connect the resistance means potential divider purpose for safety purpose. Okay, this is the purpose. See, okay, AND gate means you know that one truth table. So look the truth tables. Both switches are on, then on. First you will going to give the connections. Okay, battery is I will going to connected. It's a main switch on. See, main switch is on. It is going to that one power supply and going to the power supply. So power supply is going to that one. Switch one A B. Okay, you can consider A. A switch is on. Does the bulb is a glow or not?
No.
No. If A switch is off, B switch is on. See that one green signal. Does the bulb is glow or not?
Not.
Not. Okay. Both switches are off. Does the bulb is glow?
No.
No.
No. Good. So on, on. So now bulb is a glow or not?
Glow.
Okay. Bulb is
Yes.
turned on. So both switches are on. A B is on. The bulb is turned on. If any one switch is off, power is off. See there how the circuit is a flow. So on here both one output is coming here and going to there and close to the circuit. So this is called AND gate. Okay. What is the truth table? You can give the 0, 0. What is output? Output is a 0. Check it. Yes, correct. No. Output is a 1. Bulb is a glow. No, it is an incorrect statement. Then 0, 1 you can give. Output is a check. 1 is a incorrect. What is output? 0. Okay. Then 1 0 1 0. What is output? That is also 0. Check it. Yes, that is also correct. Then 1 1 you can give. Then output is 0. I will going to give. Is it correct? No, incorrect. If 1 1 means output is a 1. Check it. So it's a correct statement. Okay. So reset. Here only erase it. Okay. This is a truth table. Okay. So let's we move to that one another gate that is called OR gate. See there. Okay. So one switch and then second switch. Okay. And here is a diode. So output is connected to that one here. Close the path. Okay. I will going to connect it to the battery now. Okay. One switch is on. Lamp is on. Off. Off. B is on. Lamp is on. Off. Off. On. On. Both switches are on. Yes, it is on. Are you clearly understand OR gate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then next we go to the truth table. 0 0. What is output? What is output? 0 or 1? 0. Then 0 1.
0.
Any one switches are on. Output is a on. 1 0 you can set. Output is on.
1.
Both switches are on. Output is a
1.
on. So this is a correct statement. Suppose both switches are on, output is 0, light is not on. Incorrect. If any one switches are on, output is 0. Incorrect. See, look it. If you want, you can try. So on, so off it, both off. Any one on, light is on. Any one is B is on, light is on. Both is on, light is on. So that's all about the OR gate. AND gate, OR gate. Then NOT gate. What is a NOT gate? Okay, here is a switch is there. What is a NOT gate? A reverse operation, reverse operations. Okay, so main switch first I will going to on. Yes. Okay, main switch is on. Okay, I have on. Okay, see, main switches means the power is a flow. Look it, the switch is 0. Okay, switch is 0, light is on. Switch is on, light is off. Switch is 0, switch is on. Switch is 0, switch is on. Switch is 0, See how the connection is a flow. Directly connected to that LED, directly connected to the light, directly connected to the light. When switch is on, what will happen? So you will going to connect third, like this is the method. Like the you can connect it to the methods. Okay, so this is about the NOT gate simulations. So 0 means output is a 1. 1 means output is a 0. That's all. Suppose 1 1 never. Incorrect statement. Incorrect statement. 0 0. I am giving 0, output is 0. No, it is just opposite. 0 means output is 1. Suppose 1 means output is 0. That's all. So this is about the NOT gate. NOT. Okay. Next one is a NAND gate. Next one is a NAND gate. How the NAND gate is developed? So this is the next further gates. NAND gate, NOR gate. So NAND gate means how the NAND gate is developed. AND gate, where is AND gate? This AND gate plus NOT gate combined. The output is connected to here. That's all. This is called a NAND. Simplify. This is a one circle is you can do here. One circle, put the circle. That's all. This is called a NAND. NAND means what? And opposite. So 0 0 0 1, triple 0 1, triple 1 0, triple 1 0, triple 1 0. So x dot y, x dot y bar. That's all. So we will going to go. So 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 0. So look it. NAND gate is a NAND gate. Okay. Okay. Then connect the battery. Okay. So what is the truth table is saying? 0 0. First main switch is on. Okay. So 0 0 output is on. 0 0 output is on. Then 1 0 1 0 0 1 output is on. Even any one switch is on, output is on. Any one switch is on, output is on. Output is on. Any one switch is on, output is on. Both switches off, output is on. Both switches on, output is 0. Both switches off, sorry, both switches on, output is 0. So this is about the NAND. So truth table, say I already said 0 0, output is a 1. 0 1, output is 1. Correct. 1 0, output is a 1. 1 1, output is a 0. Okay, suppose you are mentioned 1 means it's a incorrect. So this is about the NAND. Are you clear about the NAND gate? And next one is a, what is the next gate? NOR gate. What is a NOR gate means? OR gate plus NOT gate. This OR gate plus NOT gate, that is called an NOR gate. OR plus NOT, OR plus NOT. A simple method to draw. OR plus here one circle, you will going to do just opposite. So 1 0 0 0, 1 triple 0, 1 triple 0. That is called a NOR. So let's try. So 0 0 1, 0 1 1 0 1 1, all the condition light is off. NOR gate. Okay, so battery connected, main switch on. So 0 0, what is the truth table is saying? 0 0, output is on. 0 0, output is on. Any one on, output is off. Any one both also off. On means output is off. Okay. both is on, off. So 1 1 conditions. So what it is saying? 0. So 0 0 condition only on. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, light bulb is off. Go to the simulation. 0 0 output is, what is output? Can I get the response?
One.
Output is 1. Correct. Then 0 1,
Zero.
output is 0. 1 0,
Zero.
output is 0. 1 1, output is 0. That's all.
Zero.
This is the truth table. So this is a truth table for that. What is this one? NOR gate. Okay. Sorry, where it is that one? NOR gate. Yes. NOR gate. Yes. NOR gate. NOR gate truth tables. So this is about the NAND gate, NOR gate. Next one, XOR. XOR. What is XOR? Exclusive OR. Exclusive OR. X into Y bar plus X into Y bar plus X bar into Y. X bar into Y. So input how it is giving, see, X into Y bar plus X bar into Y. Let's I will try tell you. X, this is a X, this is a Y. This Y is a, I will going to use the 1 naught. Okay, 1 naught. Then this is a coming. Okay, and plus symbol means OR gate. Plus symbol means OR gate. Okay, first one, this is a complete. Multiply X into Y bar, so multiply it. Multiply means and, then output. Okay, plus symbol, so OR. Okay, another one, X bar into Y, AND gate, X bar into Y. Y, so Y means here I have touched 1 naught, I will going to use X bar, so take it from here, and this is 1 OR gate. Output. Are you watching? Can I get your response?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. So this is called exclusive OR. Thank you. This is called exclusive OR. You have see X. I will going to change the color. This is X, Y bar. Multiply AND gate. Multiply AND gate. So X into Y bar. X into Y bar. This is a plus. This is a multiply. What it is coming? X, X bar. This is a Y. So X bar into Y. Okay, add. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. So this is a table. What is the table is saying? Both switches are off, off. Both switches are on, off. So any one is on, output is a present. So this is the exclusive OR. Exclusive OR. So now you can look at about the symbols of the exclusive OR. So OR gate. Okay, this is the OR gate. One arrow mark, cut arrow. It is called a bar. Like you can assume as a bar. So bar is a present. That's why bar. Okay. So this is called exclusive OR. So let's we go with the verifications. So exclusive OR gate, XOR gate, XOR gate. So any one is a present, the output is a present. Any one switch is on, output is a present. Okay. See there, 0 0, output is 0. 1 1, 1 1, output is 0. 1 1, output is 0. 0 0, output is 0. 0 0, output is 0. 1 1, output is 0. Any 1 is present, output is a present. Any one switch is only present, output is a present. Okay, 1, this is a 0. 0, this is a 1. So output is a present. So this is called XOR gate. Let's we're going to see about the truth table. So 0 0, output is a 0.
0.
Okay. 1 1, output is a 0. Any only one present, output is a present. Okay, so 1 0, output also 1. So this is a truth table. This is a truth table for XOR. So how XOR is developed, I said you that is a method. Next one is, what is that one? XNOR. XNOR is nothing but put it on one bar. This answer, put it on one bar. I mean this answer just do the reverse. Okay, 1 0 0 1. See that how it is possible. Put it on one NOT gate over here. Put it on one NOT gate. One NOT gate you will going to put it on, you will going to get the answer. So what is a XNOR? XOR plus NOT gate. Okay, XOR, the same diagram, put it on one okay, that is NOT diagrams. So let's we go for that one table. So what it is truth table is saying, 0 0 means on, 1 1 means on. So 0 0 on, 1 1 on, that's all. So this is about the truth table for a execution. 0 0 on, 1 1 on, 0 1 off, or 1 0 off. So 0 0 on, 1 1 on. So simulator you can go 0 0 on. Correct. So 1 1 on.
On.
0 1 off. 1 0 off. So that's all about the 4 gates. Sorry, how many gates? 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 gates. Okay, 7 gates. This is general about AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So like you got your gates is the over gate experiment. And you can see here also theory is given about the gate. So what I have gave that this theory